Welcome students. In today's class also we will continue our discussion to the topic kinematics of rigid bodies and will solve some more problems of different types today. So let us start with the first problem which says rod AB of length 3 meters is kept on an inclined plane as shown in the given figure. The velocity at end A. So we are given the velocity at end A. So we are given the velocity at end A as 5 meter per second. So I will write here for easy understanding. So 5 meters per second. Locate ICR and find the velocity at end B. So it's a very simple problem. So let us start with the solution. As it is given that we need to locate ICR. So whether it is given in the question or not, we have to locate ICR for all the figures in kinematics of rigid bodies. That is our first step. And for location of ICR, what we do? We draw perpendiculars to the velocity. Now, as you can see that the direction of velocity for A is given in this direction. When A moves towards this direction, point B will slide along this surface. That means direction of velocity for point B will be like this. Now what is our next step? We just need to draw perpendiculars from the velocity at each point. So I will draw the perpendiculars from point B and point A, and the point where they meet is known as ICR. And now as there is only one link, there will be only one ICR. Now what is the next step? Next step is write the name of the link. The name of the link is IB corresponding to ICR I. Next is write down the points. So points are A and B. So point A, point B. Next step, write the formulas. Formulas are VA is equal to RIA into omega AB and VB will be equal to RIB into omega AB. Next step will be to find out the values of this RIA and RIB. So for that I will consider this triangle IAB. Now in this triangle, let us apply some geometrical concepts. This angle is given to us as 20. So what will be this remaining angle? This remaining angle will be 70 degrees. Okay. The other angle given to us is this 30 degrees. So if this angle is 30 degrees, what will be this angle? This angle will be 150 degrees because they are angles forming linear pair. So total angle should be 180. Now in this small triangle, let us say I will name it as M. So in triangle AMB, if this is angle 20, this is angle 150, what will be this remaining angle? This remaining angle will be 10 degrees. Now, we know that we have drawn this line as a perpendicular to this velocity or this surface. So if this is 10, what will be this remaining angle? This remaining angle will be 80 degrees. Now, in this particular triangle, AIB, this angle is 80, this angle is 70. So what will be this remaining angle? This remaining angle will be 30 degrees. Now all the angles of triangle is known and also one side of the triangle is known. So what is applicable? Just be quick. What is applicable? Applicable is sine rule. So I will apply sine rule in triangle AIB. So in triangle AIB, applying sine rule, I will get the answer for IA and IB as 5.638 and 5.908 meters respectively. Once I got the answers, I will just need to substitute in the above formulas. Again, one thing given to us is this one. Velocity at point A is 5 meter per second. So I will start with this equation. VA is known to me. RIA we just find out. So I will substitute in this formula and get the answer for omega AB as 0.866 radian per second. Once I got omega AB, I will just substitute omega AB here. Also RIB we have already found out as 5.908. So substituting these two values here, I will get answer for VB is equal to 5.24 meter per second. So you can see that the thing which was asked in the question was find the velocity at end B, and we have found out the answer as 5.24 meter per second. This completes the solution. So some basic geometry involved and principles of ICR. Just follow the steps and the answer will follow you. Okay.